Good morning, everyone. I hope you all are fine. Welcome to the English class. Today we will learn how to write cursive small letter E. When I want all of you to open your cursive small letters book, page number 14, 14. Okay, so in previous page we have learned how to write a cursive small letter A, B, C, D till D. We already have learned how to write. Yes or no? Yes, we already have learned how to write cursive small letter A, B, C, D. So children, today we will learn how to write cursive small letter E. E for eagle. Can you see in the picture, children? E for eagle. Yes, very good. So first, okay, can you see this one? This is E. Cursive small letter E. Okay, first it goes up. Okay, then make a curve like C. Okay, it's almost like C, but it's different from here. Okay, first you have to go up, then make a curve, and then come down and go up with the same curve. Okay, children, likewise we have to write cursive small letter E. Okay, first little bit up. Okay, little bit up, then go up. Okay, and then make a curve. And do you know one thing, children? Cursive small letter E, we have to write between two lines, 1 2. Okay, 1 2 1 2, second to third line. Between these we have to write cursive small letter E. Yes, children? So let's write. First, start from the third line, go up, make a curve and come down, go up once again. Okay, children? Very good. Okay, so let's write one by one. Okay, first let's follow the dots. Can you see? Dots are there. Okay, look in your book. Okay, page number 14, 14. So first start from the dot. Okay, follow the dots, make a curve and then go up. Okay, children, go up, then make a curve, come down, go up. Are you getting me? I hope you all are getting me. This is cursive small letter what? E. E for eagle. Very good. Children, follow the dots. Okay, you have to write on the dots. Okay, first start from this dot, go up till the second line, then make a curve, come down, go up, come down, go up. Okay, this is we are learning to write cursive small letter E. Okay, now there is no dots. Okay, you have to write without dots. Yes, children? Very good. Okay, go up. Okay, then make a curve, come down and go up. Go up. Okay, it's then make a curve, come down, then go up. Go up like this, then make a curve like this, come down and then go up. Did you guys notice that E is almost like small letter C, isn't it? Is. Yes. Okay, children. First go up, then make a curve, come down, go up. Go up, make a curve, come down, go up. Very good, children. I think you all are very good students. You all are doing now. Are you doing? You have to follow your teacher. Very good. So children, this one we have done. Okay, now let's do the next page. Okay, next page 15. 15. Let's practice. Okay, first line is with the dots, and then after that we have to write, children, without dots. Okay, we have to practice to write without dots. Okay, go up, make a curve, come down, go up. Okay, so there is no dots, but you have to write now. First go up, yes, like this, then come down, make a curve, come down, then go up again. Okay, children, go up like this, then come down, make a curve, and then go up once again. Go up, come down and make a curve, then again go up. This is cursive small letter E. Very good. Go up, make a curve, come down and go up. Go up, make a curve, come down, go up. Go up, make a curve, come down, go up. First go up, then come down and make a curve, and then again go up. This one we write between two lines. Okay, children, between two lines we have to write. Very good. Go up, come down, make a curve, and then go up. Go up, make a curve, come down and go up. Go up, make a curve, come down, go up. Go up, come down and then go up. Okay, are you following me, children? I think you all are following me. So what we are writing today? We are writing cursive small letter E. E for eagle, E for egg. Okay, first go up, make a curve, come down and go up. We have to write between these two lines. Okay, and we have to touch these both lines. Okay, first go up, then come down, make a curve and go up. Like this. Very good. Okay, go up, come down, go up. Go up, come down, go up. Go up, make a curve and come down and go up. Go up, make a curve, come down and go up. Okay, two more lines we have to finish. Okay, let's write fast. Okay, children, this is what we are doing. Cursive small letter E. Now this one I will tell you once again. Go up, then come down with making a curve, then again go up. First go up, come down, go up. Go up, come down and go up. Children, this is we are starting from C. 1 2 3. We have to start from third line, okay, and touch the second line, then make a curve and then come down. Okay children, so we have done with letter E, cursive small letter E. You have to practice in your notebook as well as write in your writing book. Okay children, I hope you have learned how to write cursive small letter E. E for eagle. Thank you children for listening carefully. Have a good day.